YouTube, and welcome to Maria's Kitchen. For today I have a recipe. It's simple and you can do it with any leftover chicken that you have. So I'm making a bacon chicken avocado wrap, and here are your ingredients. Ingredients are, you're going to need boneless chicken. Here I have some chicken that's already seasoned and I'm going to cook now. Okay. You need some lettuce and tomatoes that's cut. You need an avocado. You need mayo. And I'm using a package of bacon. I'm not going to use the whole bacon, but I'm saving the rest of the bacon for something else. And I'm also going to use these garden spinach herb wraps. You can use any wraps that you have, but this is what I have, so I'm going to use this. Okay? So the first thing you need to do is in the pot, you got one here, and you're going to put your bacon to cook. Put that to cook. Put it on medium high and just cook until it's completely done. You want that nice crisp on the bacon. While your bacon is cooking, what you can do is while your bacon is cooking, what you can do is cut your tomatoes, cut your tomatoes, cut your avocado. No, but you can cut the lettuce, and either in another pot you can start cooking grilling your chicken. You're just gonna grill it, or you can just wait and use it in the same pot. That's what I'm gonna do. The same pot after this finishes. Then I'll start cooking the chicken, and then I'll get back to you. Make sure you separate your bacon. Sorry, I should have explained that. Which is what I'm doing right now. And you can use any bacon flavor that you want. The one that I have is a thick cut bacon. So you can use maple, original or lower sodium. So I got my bacon cooked, so it's crispy. My grilled chicken. My avocados are sliced. I got my lettuce, my tomatoes, my mayo, and my cheese. Okay, so we're going to start with the mayo. You don't have to put mayo. There are other things you can put. You can put blue cheese. You could put ranch dressing. Or you don't have to put mayo. You can just leave it like that. I'm putting just a thin layer to have a little bit of moisture. Okay, the first thing I'm going to start off with is my lettuce. Okay, there's all the lettuce I have left, so I'm trying to use it. Okay, the lettuce first. Oops, sorry. Tomatoes, at least 2 tomatoes. Okay, next we are going to, let's do the bacon next. So there's a big piece of bacon. Let's just put it like that. Chicken. Now, of course, if you don't want lettuce and tomatoes, then you put more chicken and more bacon. You get a meaty one. Okay. Just put the avocado. Put 3 pieces of avocado. Okay. I sprinkle very little bit of salt just for the avocado. That's it. Last, but certainly not least, is we're going to put our shredded cheese. Now, it's up to you if you want to warm it up and put it back on the grill. Okay, so this one, I'm making it big. This is going to be, let's bring this down more. Bring this over. This over. Here you go. You don't have to make it this big, but because I stuffed it, I put 2. Okay, so now let's cut it open. You could also put Thousand Island dressing. It tastes so good with that, which I'll put on the next one myself. And there you got it. chicken bacon avocado wrap. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.